What's going on today, my fellow YouTubians? Today I'm going to be showing you beautiful people how to create the invisible folder. Now in this case, it's a very simple and easy trick if you know how to do it. And what you're going to do first is locate to your desktop background or wherever you want to create and save the invisible folder. You're going to right click on it, you're going to go over to new, and then you're going to go over to folder. Now freeze, and when this new folder creates, what you're going to do now is make sure that your numlock pad is on, or your numlock keys. Generally there should be a little numlock button on top of the or above the numbers on your numlock pad, and you're going to make sure that you click that, and if their light goes on or off, you want to make sure that the numlock light is on. So when you confirm that the numlock keys are working, what you're going to do is hold down the Alt key, and you're going to type in the following on the numlock pad with numbers: 0, 1, 6, 0. And then release everything, and as you can see, that creates a little invisible space. And now you can go ahead and click off your folder right next to it, and as you can see, we have a nameless folder here. Now what you're going to do next is right click on that nameless folder, go down to properties. When this opens up, you're going to go over to customize, which should generally be at the top right of the new box that opens in the properties. Go down to change icon, go ahead and click that, and then you're going to scroll over just a wee bit, and there should be, generally there's a few different blank spaces. You just want to find the blank space. Go ahead and click on one of them. Go ahead and click OK. And you're going to click on apply, and then OK. And as you can see, the folder disappears. But if I hover over it, it highlights it. And now a fair warning, because if you are browsing inside of your File Explorer, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. If I go to my desktop, it's going to show up this little black box in this case. So it's not completely invisible to everything across the board here. So I'm just giving you that fair warning. But as you can see on our desktop here, it's completely invisible. So what I'm going to do is drag this folder that says not a porn stash, because who else would make an invisible folder for another reason? And I'm going to go ahead and drag that right into the invisible folder. And as you can see, it disappears. You can drag whatever you want in there. It's going to completely disappear. And in order, and also real quick, I just want to confirm with you, if you try and search for this folder, it's a little rather hard, so try and make sure you remember where you saved the folder at. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you out at all, if you like my video, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe key. I love you guys. I love my viewers and subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. I love you, and you stay beautiful.